Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn some tap warm-up steps. These are basic beginner. You don't need any tap dance experience. You don't even need shoes. Just stand up and try it with me. If you want to dance these steps with music, I have another video for that. So this video is going to be the tutorial only, where we're going to talk about the steps and break them down. And then when you're ready to try it with music, I'm dancing it to Golden from K-Pop Demon Hunters. And that other video, if you want to try it with music, is linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check that out. All right, let's learn some tap steps. Here we go. All right, we're going to get started in our tap dancing stance, which means your feet are going to be up under your hips. So we don't want to stand too close together or too far apart. And we're bending our knees. We're always going to have our knees bent in tap dancing. So we don't want to lock it out. We want to have this nice bend and bounce at all times. The first step we're going to do is toe drops or toe taps. And we're going to do 2 on each foot. So this is a toe drop or a toe tap. And the opposite of that is your heel drop or your heel tap. And it's just what it sounds like. Not a heel tap, just a heel drop. So it's just like it sounds like. You're picking it up and dropping it down. Or if it's a toe drop, you're picking it up and dropping it down. We're going to start with 2 on each foot though. So you're going to do 2 toe drops on your right, 2 on your left, 2 on your right, 2 on your left. We're going to do this 8 times total. And I want you to notice that we want to use your whole body here. Both legs are working and warming up. So instead of just doing taps like this, where you're working with a straight leg, we sit in those legs and we're bouncing and really warming up that whole leg. Yes? After that, did you say yes? After that, we're going to do that same pattern with your heels. So you're doing 2 heel drops with your right, 2 heel drops with your left, really sitting into those legs, bend those knees, tapping side or heel dropping side to side. And we're going to do 8 of those. Then we're going to go to those single taps. So we're just lifting and dropping the toes, right, left, 8 times. Pretend that was 8. And then we're going to go 8 times with your heels. And then we're going to repeat that 8 toe taps and 8 heel drops. So we have 8 of the doubles, 8 of the double tap, 8 of the double taps, 8 of the double heels, and then 8 of the single taps, 8 of the single heels, and then you repeat that 8 singles, 8 singles. So I'm going to count you in. Can't mess it up. We're just going to try it. Double, double with your toe. Bend those knees. Here we go. 5, 6, double tap. 2 on your right, 2 on your left. We're bouncing up and down here. Again, this is 7, this is 8. Now your heels for 1, 2, 3, 4, again, 5, 6, you're doing it. Now we're gonna go singles, right, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now your heels for 8, 2, 3, 4. We repeat that back to your toes for 8. Now heels for 8. Knees are still bent. We're still bouncing. 6, 7, 8. And that's our first set of steps. Now we're going to combine them. And instead of going 8s, 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 we're going to go 2, the double taps, 2, 1 on your right, 1 on your left. Then we're going to do the heels, 1 on your right, 1 on your left. Then when we go to single taps, we're only going to do 4 taps and 4 heels. So 1 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these, 4 taps, 4 heels. When in doubt, just move. You can't mess it up. I'm going to count you and we're going to go 2, 2, 2, 2. Tap, tap, heel, heel. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands today. 5, 6, tap, 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 tap. Just 1 time through. Now your heels. 4 taps. 4 heels. Then from here, you're just going to repeat that pattern. So you're going to get another chance to do it. 2 on your right, 2 on your left, 2 on your right, 2 on your left. Single taps for 4, single heels for 4. And that covers the first verse of the song. Those are our toe taps and our heel drops. You did a fantastic job. When we come to the chorus of the song, we're going to work on step heels, dig taps, and crawls. So our step heel, I'll also call these ball heel. I use that interchangeably. It's the same thing. So it's two sounds on one foot. It's the ball of the foot, then the heel. The ball of the foot, then the heel, or step heel. So I say both things, step heel or ball heel. The opposite of this is your heel, then your toe, and a heel in tap dancing is called a dig. So we're gonna say dig, tap, dig, tap, dig, tap, dig, tap. Let's start with those two steps. So we're gonna do 4 of those step heels slower, at that slower tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, really separating those sounds. Then we're gonna do 8 of them faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same step, just double time. Then we repeat the pattern with dig taps. Sorry if I'm yelling. We go 4 slow. Remember, it's your heel, then your toe. Then we're gonna speed that up for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 slower step heels, 8 faster. 4 slower dig taps, 8 faster. I'm gonna count you and we're gonna try that. So let's go step, heel, 5, 6, you got it. Step, heel right, step, heel left, 4 times. Now we're gonna speed it up for 8. 1, 2, 4, step, heel. Dig tap slow, so we have to slow it down. Speed it up for 8. Dig tap. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. From here, we're gonna do what's called a 4-count crawl. We're gonna do it really slow. So 4 counts, it has 4 sounds. You're gonna go the ball of your foot, then your heel, then your toe or a tap, then your heel, and that's what's gonna take your weight. So 4 sounds, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the ball, then the heel, then the tap, then the heel, and what's called a crawl because you're crawling that foot out to the side. Ball, heel, tap, heel. Now your left foot's free. It's gonna come over here to go ball, heel, tap, heel. Yeah, try your left side again. 4 sounds, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is going to be very slow, once to the right, once to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, that right foot's free again. Bring it over. We're going to go double time. Don't worry, it's still not too fast. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to repeat it to do 4 total. Ball, heel, tap, heel. So 2 really slow 4-count crawls and 4 a little bit faster. Right, left, right, left, right, left. I'll count you and we'll try. And notice that the knees stay bent here. So we're not locked, we're not tall, we're still sitting into those legs. Ball, heel, tap, heel. Then you speed it up. You're still sitting into those legs. I like to keep a little hinge here so that I'm pushing my hips back just a little. So not curved over, but hinged over just a little. And that gives me a nice strong base as we're dancing side to side and shifting our weight. Here we go, to count in. We're gonna go 4 sounds really slow. Ball, heel, tap. 5, 6, it's the ball, then the heel. I promise it's really slow this first time through. Left side. Now we speed it up. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Ball, heel, tap again. Ball, heel, tap, heel. Very, very nice. And those are our crawls, our step heels, our dig taps, and our crawls. Great job. Up next in the song, if you're dancing with the music, it's a slow part, nice and slow. There's not really a beat to it. So we're just gonna practice rolling our ankles and balancing if you want to. You don't have to balance if you don't want to. But we finished that left crawl. I'm just gonna sit all my weight into that left foot. I'm gonna balance and roll my right ankle in one direction, and then I'm gonna roll it in the other direction, and then we're gonna switch. And then you're gonna lift up that left leg. You can hold your leg wherever feels good to you. Roll the ankle one way, we'll roll it the other way. Put your arms out for balance if you need to, that's very helpful. And then you're gonna put both feet back down into your tap dancing stance after we're done. So it's like an 8 count, rolling on your right, an 8 count or so rolling on your left, and then we come back here. From here, we're gonna do heels, heels. So we're gonna pick up both heels and drop them at the same time 4 times. Then you're gonna go 8 faster, and I wanna challenge you to still keep those knees bent. So not like a calf raise, but knees are bent. We're sitting into our legs, lifting up the heels, even when we go faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna go double toe drops. So still keep those knees bent. You're gonna rock up on your toes and drop, on your heels, sorry, and drop your toes down 4 times. Then we're gonna go 8 faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. If you don't like the toes, you can repeat the heels. So after you did 5, 6, 7, 8, you can just go back to the slow heels if you don't want to do the double toe drops. Woo. So that's this little like instrumental section. Then it's going to repeat the chorus, and we're going to repeat the same steps that we did before. So you're going to go back to those slow step heels 4 times, and then faster, then 4 dig taps, then 8 faster, right into a slow 4 count crawl, right and left, and then faster, 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 faster. So I'm going to count you, and we're going to try that 1 time, and there's one last little step to learn. So we're going to start with 4 slow step heels, 8 faster. Woo, here we go. 5, 6, you got it. Step, heel, right and left and right. Now speed it up for 8. 2 distinct sounds. Dig tap slow. It's your heel, then your toe. Speed this up for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow it down. Here's that 4 count crawl. Ball, heel. I promise it's really slow. Left side. Ball, heel. You have time to think about it. Then we're going to speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. 2 more time. 1 to the right, 1 to the left. Excellent job. There's one last little step here to finish it out. We're going to do that crawl again, but we're going to do the opposite. So instead of starting with the ball, we're going to start with a dig, then a toe, then a heel, then a toe or a tap. So dig, tap, heel, tap. And that has to take your weight. Try it again on your right foot. Dig, tap, heel, tap. Pick that left foot up to go dig, tap, heel, tap. Same pattern as the other crawl. We're going to speed it up for 4. Dig, tap, heel, tap, dig, tap, heel, tap, dig, tap, heel, tap, dig, tap, tap. I challenge you to go for that. Try it. But if you wanted to just repeat the ball, heel, tap, heel again, you could. Let's try just that 1 time, and then we'll be done with this lesson. Dig, tap, heel, tap. Ready? 5, 6. It's your dig, then your tap. We go. Dig, tap, heel, tap. Left side. We're doing it 2 slow. 1 to the right, 1 to the left. Now speed it up. Dig, tap, heel, tap. Dig, tap. 2 more. Last one. And that's where it'll end. Woo! Very, very nice. And that was our tutorial. You did an amazing job. These are just some nice basic tap steps to get us up and moving. Again, if you want to put it all together with music, we're going to dance it to Golden from K-Pop Demon Hunters, and that video is linked down in the video description. So go check it out if you want to try it with music. The 2 questions I get asked the most are about my tap board and my tap shoes. So I'm going to link a video down in the description below talking about my tap board. If you have questions about making your own, that's what this is. It's a DIY tap board, and I have a little short video that has all the information about that. And these particular tap shoes are by the company Bloch, B-L-O-C-H, and the style is Chloe and Maud. These are fantastic tap shoes. They're not too heavy, but they're heavier than a very basic tap shoe, and they're nice and loud. They have a great sound. So I'm going to link some information about these particular tap shoes as well. I wear a variety of pair. of pairs, but if you're interested in these, they also come in solid black, this exact same style. So I'll link that in the video description, and if you have any questions about tap boards or tap shoes, please reach out to me in the comments below. If you had fun today and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you so much for joining me today for this tap tutorial. I had so much fun dancing with you. I hope you had fun too. Please go have an incredible rest of your day. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and tap dance with me again in another tutorial. Bye y'all.